Welcome to Montsweag Garage, where a regular dude with a regular job works to restore old classics. I'm Sean. I'm not a pro with years of experience. I'm just learning as I go, and I'm trying to share what I learned with you. It started 4 years ago when I picked up this 1967 Dodge Dart. It was my first project car, and at that point, I was in love. So my last 4 years, I've seen so many people that are like, oh, I could never do that. I'm here to tell you, yes, you can. I've learned a ton about these classic cars. I want to share that with you in the form of my problem-solving method, along with some how-to videos to do some of the simple things. And I'm going to share the whole process, the successes and the mistakes. So hopefully you don't have to learn the hard way like this dumbass. So from this classic Dodge Cruiser to this vintage work truck, I'm tackling rusty rides one project at a time, and I'm bringing you along with me. If you've dreamed of building your own project and you tell yourself you can, I'm proof that anyone can do this. So subscribe, join me in the garage, and let's build something.